are you doing today?
I'm fine.
So, sir, I want to ask you some questions.
Okay.
Please, can you tell us your name, your
Okay.
level, your department, and your skills area?
Alright. My name is Aduragbemi Olalere, a 300 level student from the Department of Education and Technology at Sasola University of Education. I'm a website designer.
Okay, wow. So, you said you are a website designer, right?
Yes.
Please, can you tell us about HTML, CSS?
Okay. Alright. We're going to talk about HTML. HTML is an hypertext markup language. It is used to structure how your website is going to look like. It is like the foundation of your website.
Okay.
It is just like the engine of your website. That's all. And then we're going to talk about the CSS. CSS is also a programming language called cascading styling sheet. It is used to style your program, your design, your website page, make it more beautiful and even responsive.
Okay, thank you. Can I ask you a funny question?
Okay.
Between writing code and feeling the logbook, which one gave you more heartbreak?
Writing the code though. I would say writing the code is the most hardest part of it. Alright. Alright. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we go.